Abantu nigo basemigwe koba maiso chinga kibagenda gutumeka chipara kuba mono kubwatakana amone basakana mebe agendete kogendera aniga kwanwa amo nerombe ayo yaikirana ase chinsemo chia jelibunge yegwoli ligoma azabanya kabago chakie kiombe gyogwesira baraboka manyene abwe ase chinsemo chiebunge ya Borabu munago tumanya mulikyo ito Volcap Okara
nasu musangerekano yoiga bwokorosie sako hananene yabona bodaboda korwase ewade yeligoma musangerekano yikiranwa amo nomo regional manager bwekiombe kirikyo bosera ase chibara kya NTC asireta Adan Adoa nyakirugo bwe erumbejiga ya bodaboda korwase rugongora Masaba North Dominic Babu abarai a obe sector ya bodaboda korwase nseme chiga omo deputy base commander korwase rugongorwa Keroka egati ya barai bande
mukisave kwa hizo SACCOS unaweza tumia akili wiki hii mkikatia mtu mmoja insurance next week mwingine hiyo wiki nyingine mtu watatu wa nne at the end of the month or after 2 months each and everyone atakuwa na insurance na zimutakuwa safe. Yes.
Ukwanekere kigani gabara yawe gabaye kiria suku gorogwe sake jiga yento batebere kirat kunyara kabage kubakonya kubosiranya stibesa ejo kiraba konya kwegendereria
sabale na to achakire because to form area se group ito ento ke sako so we want to urge those members bakora to chake with that spirit egara to konya ke gochi moto ima itenga to atule rangos lakini bwana we have settled them down asoko nyole certificate award
ukwanekere kiga adoni gagendere kobaga kubasemya abananchi kuba maizo chinga kibago tarase chibara nabo igo kubulya bana bodaboda kuba maizo nabo igo nabagenda bechigali na chinga kichige mbule nyinge eyo yagendete gotwase orugongo rwagusi.
You know that the schools are closing and also this it's a rainy season and Pasaka is also on the way, so we will be having joint enforcements in liaison with the National Police Service, but nevertheless it will boil down to the individual responsibility. We always talk through many forums and also through the barazas, the chief baraza, the ngao structure, to ensure that this message gets to the last person for purposes of ensuring that we change our behavior as road users, because just the other day we lost, and many of these accidents are attributing to the issue of drunk driving. And I want to urge the members of the public to take responsibility for their own lives.
Nomweli oye nigo boseme wiga buratukunyara kobo kubakonya abantu bonsi abo baranyara kobo bakubwate machiko yebara nanene asoko bosiranya abo nebyombe ebibira abakonya kwegendereria ase ebinyorona boyigo namagimabo abanyene
dosiegeti ati onde da swa association yitwa jogero se chisako onde bwezi naboko swara kirindo abekali jiko bakoko vetting neji committee jibegere ji ward weather chirole no nyare ko gende speed yeli ba chiregera bonega aba chairman babwate jisage je speed bagoja gochierere igoro na ina arama gendo totete as Masaba North
eginko report digitasini kyo wanjite kyagatembe koro igasi nseme chiga che ward yeligoma imeye bunga ya heiga yabagitutu Masaba county ya Nyamira inchego ngoro kwa Volcap Okara.